How many stitches can be seen by the treadle machine in 1 minute? 1500. The part of a tailoring machine which draws thread from the tension disc and gives it to the needle. Take up lever. The part of a tailoring machine which help the cloth to move forward. Right stitching. Feed dog. In sewing machine, the needle is attached to dash needle bar. One causes of upper thread tension is dash. More tension on the disc at the tension regulator. The number of machine needle used for stitching coating cloth. 18. Number 18. Which sewing machine most useful for family use? Threadle machine. Which part of the sewing machine controls the length of the stitch? Stitch regulator. Dash is holds the cloth firmly in position when lowered. Pressure foot. A machine attachment used for making uniform pleats and gathers. Ruffler. Dash is used for winding the lower thread of the machine. Bobbin. Position of stitch regulator in a sewing machine. Arm. The attachment in sewing machine to stitch lace in fabric. Edge stitcher. Dash used on machine to cut the edge of cloth in V shape. Finger. The tension control module for the yarn comes into the take-up lever. Tension spring. The function of tension spring in a sewing machine controls the compression of pressure foot. What makes the needle bar immovable on the sewing machine? Stop motion screw.
Which machine's attachment is used for making hammer making for the raw edge of the fabric to be clean finished? Hammer fourth. Who invented tailoring needles and single machines? Elias O. Which company tailoring machines India's first launch? Usha. Usha tailoring machines in which factories was producing? Hindustan in Kolkata.